Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to guide you through the process of familiarizing yourself with the Microsoft Excel interface. Excel, a powerful tool from Microsoft, is widely used for data analysis, financial modeling, and much more. The first step in mastering Excel is understanding its interface. When you open Excel, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the screen. These include Home, Insert, Formulas, Data, and others. Each of these tabs contains a wealth of tools and features that make Excel such a versatile application. The Home tab is where you'll find the most commonly used Excel features, such as font formatting, cell alignment, and number formatting. The Insert tab allows you to add various elements to your spreadsheet, such as charts, tables, pictures, shapes, and more. The Formulas tab is where the magic happens. Here, you can create and manage a wide range of formulas that allow you to perform calculations, analyze data, and automate tasks. The Data tab provides tools for importing data from various sources, sorting and filtering data, and performing data analysis. Remember, the key to mastering Excel is practice. So, I encourage you to explore these tabs and the features they offer. Opening Excel. Click on the Excel icon on your desktop or search for Excel in your computer's search bar and open the application. Exploring the Home tab. The Home tab is the first tab you see when you open Excel. It contains options for copying and pasting, font formatting, alignment, number formatting, conditional formatting, cell styles, and more. Exploring the Insert tab. The Insert tab allows you to insert a variety of elements into your spreadsheet. This includes tables, pictures, shapes, charts, links, text boxes, headers, and footers. Exploring the Formulas tab. The Formulas tab is where you can create and manage formulas. You can insert functions, define names, create name manager, and manage formula auditing here. Exploring the Data tab. The Data tab provides tools for working with data. You can sort and filter data, remove duplicates, validate data, consolidate data, and connect to external data sources. Remember, the best way to familiarize yourself with Excel is to explore and practice using these features. Happy exploring!